Silver traded with moderate bullishness throughout the week. We have seen it hitting lower highs at 33.20, 25, but at the same time, the downside was pretty much limited and it has respected the lower support at 31.80 and it is kept intact in this bullish channel. So, can we expect this bullishness to continue after the reversal process silver has shown for last few weeks? Can we expect it to break beyond 34 levels? Or the bulls appear to be exhausted, it is time to reverse. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my daily updates with precise levels every time, first with the Asia session, next with the US. Do not miss to watch these. Subscribe, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. All the links are there in the channel and video description. And friends, do like, share, and comment. It is a great motivation for me. Let's start. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end. When you look at the near term weekly charts first, you can find out we are looking at higher lows every time and higher highs are seen. But for the last week, what we had seen, the bulls appeared not too much interested and the price is consolidating here. Lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen. Very, very important for silver to now trade below 31.80, 31.50 levels and then 31. Only and only if these three levels are taken, you can say that it is reversing and then the prices may start to show slight bearish sign. Right now, I can see it is trading in green, but also the strength on the upside is not pretty much there. But this is silver. When it starts to move, it is going to deliver massive move in a single day. It's whichever direction it's gonna be. On the upside, 33.20, 33.50 are the levels which is definitely proven out to be greater resistance here. 33.40.50 zone rather, I will say. Look at the movement for the last multiple weeks. See, this is how silver has been trading. First breakout zone, retracement, then the second breakout, and then the retracement. Taking the support from the 50 period, it is trying to bounce back. When you just connect the highs and the lows, you can find out silver is trading in this bullish zone, which also increases now the possibility of the next move in silver all the way towards 30. But at the same time, it is not possible that it is going to deliver a single breakout move all the way towards 36 and hence the swings has to be there. But now when you connect the near term highs and the lows, now see, if you connect the highs and the lows here, you will find this is how the reversal has started. And what has happened, see, silver traded with this nice flag formation. Here also two candles with lower highs, here also two candles with lower highs. And now if it stays in this flag formation, we can say trading beyond 29.50, we can see silver moving all the way towards 28, and below that it may show even a stronger correction. Now on the upside, $34 level is getting critical for silver to break past by. Only and only if it breaks beyond 34, we can say the bulls are back in action. It is coming out of this flag and it is going to deliver a massive move which is going to take it all the way above 36 or in fact $37. Too early to conclude. Look at the moving averages here have started to diverge again, but the prices are also trading with divergence from the moving average. Look at the stochastic on the weekly charts. See, after forming a double bottom, it has hit the top. Now what it is replicating, it is replicating this, that it is possible for silver to now start moving downwards from here. On the contrary, what we are seeing on stochastic, look at, see, MACD after a retracement from the peak here, it is now again crossing over. What has happened here? See, first retracement, then a crossover, bigger retracement, then a crossover here. Indeed, it is still keeping itself bullish. And notice this, this is how it has been trading. First rise, then retracement, second rise, then retracement. So can we say now this is the time for silver to move towards the, now here this appears to be the case looking at the crossover, and now after the crossover this is just the first bullish candle, so it may try to continue with this for a while from here. However, we can see that it is still staying well above zero levels, and you can say that the crossover has come from a slightly higher level, so possibility of a continuation on the downside cannot be denied. Thus, we have to wait for it to break past by the critical levels, and a breakout should only confirm the bullishness here. RSI is rising. Coming to daily charts. Now, on the daily charts, notice the formation, the moving averages crossing over here. Good bullish sign. Look at the movement here. What has happened? It is consolidated here and it has formed a symmetry. Now, forming a symmetry means look at these two candles, red green. Look at these two candles, red green. The next follow-up candle was a greener one. So the first trading session in the coming week might gonna bring slight bears where the prices can move close to 32 or 3180 levels. Now these are definitely going to remain critical levels, because once silver trades below 32 or 3180, you can say now this is the time for silver to begin the reversal or a retracement further towards 3140-50, or in fact 31, the greater support. Also, the last few sessions have suggested that the prices here are not, the bulls here are not very much interested in keeping the prices elevated. Look at the stochastic. This is trading comfortable, has room on upside and downside both. And when you look at the MACD, see after forming the double bottom, now notice this drop, retracement, drop towards the same zone, retracement. Lower highs are there, so it can possibly continue here in this narrowing triangle, which suggests that it can look or hit the bottom again. If you look at the RSI, this is also dropped here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, very important point to note where silver has closed. It is closed almost on a bearish note and close to bottom. So now 3240 is the level. Even if it trades below, we can say the next move is going to take it all the way towards 32. And if that is taken, then 32 and 3180 levels are very critical. If these levels are taken, you can say now the bears are taking over, and then we can look forward to a greater down move. If you notice the move here, see this is slightly inclined, and I can see head and shoulders here, but with a slight inclination. Thus, it suggests that it can try to move towards 3160 or 3140 zone before reversing. Let's have a further look. If you notice, greater resistance was seen and then this drop has appeared. So now upside is going to be difficult. Stochastic has come all the way towards oversold zone. The MACD traded with divergence and stayed bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. So it appears that on the 4 hour charts, possibly it can start the week on a slight bearish note, but then later might show a recovery as well. Coming to the last and the most important, the monthly. On the monthly charts, notice that I have shared this earlier as well. Very important for silver to break or close the monthly candle below 28.80, $29 levels. These are the levels below which you can expect slight bearishness, and then to 28, 27, 80 should be the next strongest support. When you look at the formation in silver for the last few, you can see what has happened here. See, first rise, then consolidation, second rise, then consolidation. And see, all this time for multiple months, silver just stayed in zone, and this is just replicating here the same. Because once it breaks out, it is going to deliver a stronger move here. It is just right now trying to confine itself within a. On the monthly charts, another point to note here is, see, the month started close to 3070 levels. We have seen the highs at 3340 here. The median or the 50% retracement levels are now close to 32. And hence, it is possible that silver prices may hover or trade around 32 or close the month at around 32. When I say close the month, for the next 5 sessions, we may see little swings where the prices can retrace towards 3150-40, or and in fact can bounce back and close the week at 32. So this probability you should not ignore, but also notice what will happen. Even if it close the week at or month at 32, it will increase the chances of a stronger bullish candle next. So this is something you should keep a note of. Still, the signs are not very much encouraging for the bears here. The stochastic definitely has dropped. Look at the MACD. This is divergent. This is bullish looking upwards. And it is possible that silver may hit higher highs before showing any signs of reversal. The RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy here. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swift free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, let's first talk about the levels to buy. The levels remain the same, which we discussed and talked several times: 32.65, 32.85, 33.10, 33.25, and then 33, 40, 50. We talked and discussed about these levels several times. As in how silver break past these levels, the bullish momentum will increase. Once it breaks past the 33, 45, 45, we can expect 33, 78, and then 34.1. If 34.1 is taken, chances will be very, very high that we are looking at $35 levels, the next milestone which it would like to break. Beyond this, anyways, it's gonna stay bullish all the way towards 36.4, 36.5 zone very, very soon. But right now, it is too early to conclude. The movement is not very much aggressive, but yes, this is silver. We have seen silver delivering 6 to 8% of rise or move in a single day, and thus anything and everything is possible for silver to deliver the move in a single day. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 30 to 30 levels. Expect, see, all these levels, those who follow me daily know by now we have been repeatedly sticking to these levels since long now. Below 3150 is where you can expect the bearishness will increase, and below 31 is where you can expect there could be a greater move which is going to take it towards these levels. This is going to be the most critical zone, and if this is taken, then you can say now the bears are back and you can look forward to a reversal, chances for which appears to be very, very, very less. But yes, these are markets, and hence take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading week ahead.